Hi again, all my crafty friends. If you are new here, I'm Dawn, and you have found Designs by Gaddis. If you enjoy DIYs, flips, and everything farmhouse, you are in the right place. On my channel, I love bringing you fun, simple, and affordable home decor DIYs on a budget. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you like what you see, hit the bell notification and leave me a comment. Now for our first DIY. I picked up this large wine jug on one of my yard sale adventures in May. I knew I could use it, but I wasn't sure what exactly I wanted to do with it. And then it hit me. Paint it and distress it. I washed the jug out and dried it off. I first added a layer of Waverly plaster chalk paint and dried it with my hot air gun. Let me know in the comments if you ever start a project with one thing in mind and by the time you're done, it's something totally different. Well, that's what happened with this project. I liked it being white, but I wanted to add more texture. I added the plaster paint to a bowl and then poured in baking soda and stirred it well. I started applying the mixture with a stencil brush. It gave me texture, but it wasn't exactly what I was wanting. So I changed to a chippy brush. I applied the white mixture to the entire jug all the way to the bottom. I also painted the inside of the jug with this texture. You can really see the texture showing up. I was afraid it wouldn't show that well in the camera. I decided to give it an ombre effect and a different texture for the next layer. I poured salt into the bowl with what was left of the plaster mixture and added Waverly mineral paint. I continued adding the paint until I liked the consistency. It was thicker than the first layer I had put on. I applied this layer from below the top part of the jug all the way to the bottom. Next, I added some Waverly ink, which is just black paint, to the mixture and stirred it until I had a darker gray color. I applied this layer from about halfway down the jug all the way to the bottom. You can see here the ombre effect on the jug and all the beautiful texture. I let the jug dry for a couple of hours. I wanted to distress it so the texture would really show. I first used some Americana antiquing wax and the dry brush method. I very lightly covered the jug with the wax. Next, I used the dry brush method again using more of the Waverly plaster paint. Now I was really starting to fall in love with this piece. Just look at all the color and texture on the glass wine jug. I even decided to try to play some music on it. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, happy crafting!